Jonathan, and I would like to review 7 to 13. This is on the truck. It has a boat, a truck, and 3 characters. Let's start out with the characters. This guy has a life jacket and a white helmet, like almost everyone else. This guy just has a helmet, and this can go up and down. You can get it too. Okay, see, up, down. This guy is cool because he has an axe and a hose and a life jacket, that guy. And these 2 guys go on the boat right there. This guy goes on the truck. And let's start out with the boat. The boat has a hose, an antenna that can go up and down. And I forgot about the hose that can spin. And engines. And this is the truck. It has a big crane. It can go up and down, left and right, but I just don't want to break it. Right there. And the roof comes off. And as you can see, it's a 2-seater. I usually just put 1 guy in there. Come on. And this is the big platform that the boat can go on, like this, or the other way around. Oh, my bad, the antenna. Oh, come on. Okay, never mind. And that's pretty much it. Bye, YouTube.